I'm so glad to see you on the channel. Today I want to show you one of my favorite desserts, a soft, silky mango mousse. No gelatin, no agar, just a few simple ingredients. We start with ripe, juicy mango and blend it into a smooth puree. This is where all the flavor begins. Now a pinch of salt, a little sugar, and some milk. Blend it again, and watch how creamy and smooth it becomes. And here's the little secret that sets it without any gelatin, just cornstarch. Whisk it into cold milk first, so it melts in smoothly, with no lumps at all. Pour the mango and milk into a saucepan, add the starch, and gently warm it, stirring all the time. Don't walk away, in just a couple of minutes it turns into a beautiful, glossy cream. Pour it straight into your cups and let it cool. Then give it a few hours in the fridge. I know, the waiting is the hardest part, but it's worth it. Once it's set, top it with fresh mango, a few raspberries, and a little mint. Look how lovely that is. You'll find all the measurements in the description below. I really hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Enjoy your meal.